waiting. Does it like update? Oh my goodness. I don't think it's... Is it still waiting? My YouTube's not streaming. Is it not? It will be really funny if this doesn't like stream. Oh, it is live. I'm live. I'm live. Okay, cool. Where am I? Oh my goodness. Right, coding. Why is that not showing anything? My YouTube's not streaming. Is it not? It will be really funny if this doesn't like stream. Okay, I don't know why I'm talking there. I'm just gonna... Okay, cool. Like, it's really silly. Close that one. Cool. Okay, I've decided to record as well because yesterday I wanted to record. I forgot to record it. Right. Can you see my screen? Yeah, you can see my VS Code, right?
Yeah, but it's not showing up on your stream.
Oh, is it not?
Yeah.
This is really fun. It's fun, but it's kind of like, you know, like, yeah, I don't know why it's
not able to save.
If I do that, oh, Chrome is working. So I think Chrome is working, but when I do Google Meet, what is Google Meet? Live coding. Yeah, that's really strange. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna just add a new something. Gosh, how was your day, by the way?
It was pretty chill. We just went to church and then stayed home.
Oh, that's nice. Is your church like far from where you live?
No, it's like 6 minutes away.
Oh, really?
Like a 6-minute drive, yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
How about yours? Is it far?
I tend to just do like online ones. So there's one called just down the road, not like 10 minutes drive or something. And my dad-in-law goes there, and then I just go on the live because they broadcast
Broadcasted.
yeah. I find it so much easier just because when you have two children, they just... Because I've taken, I think we took Benji once or twice, and then they have to go to Sunday school, but then he doesn't want to go to Sunday school on his own, so I kind of missed the whole service anyways.
You have to be there.
So I have to be. So I might as well just stay at home and you have it on, and then the kids can play and listen in, and then I can, like, just... It's just easier. Maybe when they're a bit older. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yay! Cool. Where am I? Okay. Why is the chat there? There you go. That's better. Cool. Okay. Where are we? Where were we yesterday? So I was just gonna say I am so grateful. I've got quite a few donations today from like old colleague and stuff like that, and then just trying to keep my brother in their prayers. And it's like so nice because I had a call with my brother this morning, and
how is he?
But he looks so much better because like a few days ago he was out of breath. You know when you're on a call and you can tell he was like out of breath, and yeah, he's been quite it sounds like he's very a bit more, I wouldn't say lively, just not out of breath, because previously when I call him he'd be like, every word was like a struggle.
Oh, he was struggling.
Yeah. And then I think today he was on a call and he was laughing, so it's nice. It's his second day of chemotherapy, and but yeah, I'm gonna try and change that to Discord. I think that should now show our face. Okay, don't know, does this show? You know, John's taught me how to do things like, you know, zoom in this way, zoom in that way, and I'm like, I don't really know what I'm doing.
Zoom in where?
And I was like, what do I do? Anyway, yeah, so I think he was laughing today, and then, like, he had a bit of a laugh, and then apparently it was like 20 hours, like the medication.
20 hours.
20 hours. So you don't mind me like sharing like our video screen share, right?
Sure.
Yeah, with our faces on it. Yeah, I think he was like the first 3 days is like 2 medication, and one is like 20 minutes, like over 20 minutes, and the like through IV, like through like thingy, and then the second type is over 20 hours.
Wow, 20 hours.
Yeah, and I was like, that's quite intense, and he just kind of like sits, and then apparently like he'll just kind of sit there, and then after that, in like it'll kind of happen over 20 hours, and then the next morning they take his blood samples and then tests like to see it's improved. And I think this morning they said the white cell count has gone down. There was like miscommunication. My brother's wife, my sister-in-law was like, oh, it's gone down by 60,000. And then I was like, okay, that's pretty good. That's like really good, because his white cell count was like nearly 300,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and normal one is about 4 to 11,000.
Okay.
So it's like
It's super high.
Super high, yeah. And apparently, if your white cell count is that high, it's like you're more prone to internal bleeding, and one of the fatal one cause of death is like internal bleeding in your brain. So like, you know, that's just, you know, cause of death. So I think that was the one of the worrying part. But his was like 300 or nearly 300,000. Normal is like 40 10,000. So the doctor like came in this morning apparently, and they called me at 3 a.m. UK time, but I was fast asleep. I wasn't wearing my watch last night, so usually if I wear my watch, I get like bzz, 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 like, you know, like buzzing on your wrist. But I forgot last night, and then it was like 3 a.m. They called me. I think the doctor came to visit the ward, like the bedside, and then I think he told them that his white count has gone down 60,000. And I think my sister-in-law said, oh, it's gone down by 60,000. And I was like, okay, that's really good. So I messaged the doctor, so I can WhatsApp the doctor. I have the doctor's number, so I WhatsApp the doctor and I say, just because she didn't say 60,000, she just put 60 down, 60. And I was like, so is it 60 cells? Is it 60,000? Is it to 60,000 or by 60,000? And then I messaged the doctor, and the doctor said, oh, he's doing okay. It's gone down to 60,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's 60,000 now.
Yeah.
Okay. That's really good.
Yeah, it's really good because it's down to 60,000. So it's very promising, and like his body's responding to the treatment. But they say that obviously risk of infection is high, because if it's too low, his body is not can't fight any infection. So they're just keeping an eye, and there's just like a lot of risk to it, and I didn't realize it until I was reading into it, and I was like, oh my goodness, it's quite scary, because you would have thought, you know, when you're ill, people give you medication, and you're like, oh, I'm fine now, and then this is like, get medication, and then it's all just like, oh, so many side effects. Anyway, that's cool. But while I was doing that, while I was chatting with them this morning, I remember something about our app. I was like, I think we need to put like internationalize internet
Oh yeah, for translations.
I-18N. So maybe we could like do that, but I'm not too sure. Should we just ask Claude to add it, or what do you think?
Yeah, I think it would be easy for Claude to do that.
Yeah, I don't know much about um, I
But
don't
if
know.
you do you have the app open?
Yeah.
If you try same thing, so try right clicking any word on the page
Yeah. Let me just show you
and
this one.
translate.
Uh,
Sometimes Google does an okay job translating.
no, I still can't do that translator thing, you know?
Oh,
It's really weird. Got speech.
so if you right click, what do you have?
I
Right click
got
on any
look up
translated
images.
word.
Let me show you. Change stream, entire screen. This one maybe? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like I get this like look up PDF.
Oh, it might not be enabled. Yeah, go to settings. Languages.
There you go. Oh, got English. Oh, I
And
can
try adding Indonesian.
very cool. Melayu.
Oh, okay.
Should I try Tagalog?
Sure.
Not showing.
Filipino, maybe.
Filipino. I don't know why I was like, let's try that. And then I assume you're saying I could go back there and then go.
You might need to restart the
Chrome.
Yeah.
Let's try that. Chrome, where are you, Chrome? There you go. Let's try that. I think the local host is still.
If you do Command Shift T,
Command Shift what?
Command Shift T to reopen the previous tabs.
I think it's this one. Wait, what? It's not on? Is the server's not on? Let's have a look. That's strange. So npm run start. So where's my package.json? Npm run dev. Yeah. There you go. Should show now.
There you go. And then try right clicking. Did we close the whole app or did you just open the window? I think Chrome was still on. Try quitting it. Command Q.
Oops, sorry. Command Q. No? Command Q?
That. Do it twice.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
So try that again. Oh, where have you gone? Oh my goodness.
And then now open it again.
Where is Chrome? There you go. It's just rebooting. Local.
Try it again. Right click any word.
Translate selection to English. Nice.
And then now you can select a different language.
Choose another language. So Indonesian. Translate.
Full page.
Oh, very cool. Sumber daya.
Is it pretty accurate or no?
My Indonesian's pretty rusty as well, but sumber daya. I'm trying to think. I feel like sumber daya is like a resources, like when you get a fuel, and then like natural resources. Right. So I'm like,
that is off.
Yeah, that is a little bit off. But let's see if it just kind of like, so when you hard refresh it, it just kind of gone. But I suppose you could do like, if I could do like translate selection to Indonesian and then see mental, very interesting. Yeah, I think it'd be cool if we can have like a, right, like an icon somewhere to say what language it is, right? Anyway, we can ask AI to do it. Like,
yeah, I wonder if it can like alter the browser language. The edit button. Maybe it can do that.
what, like on the app?
Yeah. So try asking Claude if it's possible to add a button on the page and alter the browser language.
Is it possible to add a button to translate the app? Let's see if it comes back with something, because I don't know. Do you use I18N a lot for like your app, like at work or anywhere?
We use which we use that word. Oh, we have our own translations actually. We use a third party service to translate foreign words. Well, not foreign words. I guess we have like a selection of languages that we're translating to,
Right.
like the common ones. But yeah, we have all the translations in our code base.
Right. I like hard coded, or just using a
not hard coded. I think we're also using I18N actually.
Yeah, that's fair.
But we use our own translations.
Right. So Claude say definitely possible. This standard approach is using React I18 Next, but I assume React I18 Next is a Next.js dependency, right?
I'm not sure.
Or maybe not.
Maybe not.
No, maybe not. This is just React for React or React Native. I wonder why they choose this. Okay, no,
why there's next?
Why is there next in their name? Anyway, maybe it was just a choice that they've made. Cool. You should read I18X, the config options. Okay, cool. So it says you'd wrap the app in a provider, replace hard-coded strings with T-key calls, and keep translation JSON files per language.
Yeah, so that's the thing. We need to have the actual translation. So you need to provide like for each word in the app.
I think our workplace has this, but there isn't actually anything being translated.
Oh, so how do you guys do it?
I don't know. I think we've got like a YAML file for it, and then I think it's trying. I don't really know what they're doing. We were trying to not use that anymore. We're deprecating that, and I don't really fully understand like how. I think it's like we'd have to me, when I see it, it looks like you're just like you're, it's as if you're calling a variable, and then it's like a key variable thing, and then the key is, I don't know, something, and then it gives like a sentence of something. I find it really in a unique way of doing things. I don't think there is any like translation there, because there's no English to another language. Does that make sense? So I know that we're trying to deprecate it, and I always find it like interesting, because I think it's like a legacy code thing that people have done. Anyway, but which is, I thought I was like, why would you use this? But it's not really a translation. It sounds like uh, you know, like if you got like the way I look at it is like, if you got a JavaScript object with the key and variables, and you call the key, and then it'll be like, you're just translating that key to a you yeah, you just using the key so that it would show the sentence. They use it a lot for forms, so they don't want to like, I don't know, why they do it that way. I don't know if that was like a Rails thing, a legacy thing, and now people just hard code it, like hard code the strings, because if it's a form. But anyway, I'm just rambling on now. But yeah, I think
Yeah, so that's the thing. If we're gonna use context, we're gonna need to have a translations file. That is a lot, unless you want to ask AI to do the translations.
yeah, I suppose like AI can just like Claude can just try and translate everything that we need.
I guess we can try that.
Yeah, a couple before. And what language do you want to support? Is this the
Oh yeah,
full
let's do Indonesian first.
Yeah, let's try that.
It's gonna make it's probably gonna make its own translation file.
Yeah, so Indonesian as the first language we want to support. Maybe I should try and put. Can't really get that. So can you see my? Yeah, there you go. Indonesian is the first language we want to support, and what else do we want to do? Is this the full app or just certain pages? Good question. Should you try?
Well, for the resources link, that's gonna be hard because are we hard coding those? I think it is. They are hard coded, right?
Yeah, I think right now they're hard coded. Maybe stories. That's gonna be like difficult as well, because it's like a user story.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the it's a good question. Resources. Maybe medication tracker.
Let's try the whole app.
Let's say the whole app. Let's see what it can do. Do the full app. Let's see let's see what it can come back with. Like, there's no harm.
Yeah.
How do I'm gonna switch off myself from there, and I'm gonna add browser.
Oh, were you able to create a repo for it?
Oh no, we've not done that yet. Let's try to do that, because then you can just pull it, right? Oh, I should try. Do you have to pay to connect it to your GitHub? As in, like, do you?
No.
Do GitHub MCP?
Think, you can make it. You can just make a repo, and then you can invite people to collaborate, I think.
No, yeah, I mean, sorry, I'm just talking about GitHub MCP, so that it does all my
Oh.
beautiful commit and staging it and stuff. Let me see. GitHub, Claude, MCP. Um, tools, official MCP server. What do you have to do? Because you use GitHub MCP, right? At work. What'd you say? Oh, right now.
Yeah.
Install guide for Claude code. Right. Okay. Let me open new terminal.
I think you just need to update your Claude config, maybe.
Yeah, I don't even have. Do I have a Claude config here?
Oh, you can even ask Claude to do it for
Yeah,
you.
I'm gonna get Claude to do it for me.
Just ask him.
I think I've become very lazy.
Me too.
It looks like from here we could like what's the word for it? Like just install it, put MCP. Oh, okay, so you got MCP settings. Oh, interesting. Is it 3 o'clock where you are?
Yeah, almost 4 p.m.
What does that sound? What?
Have you ever used MCP before, an MCP server?
Oh, no, I don't think so.
So if you do a / MCP,
Oh, I see.
it will give you any
Manage MCP
server.
server.
Yeah, that one. I guess you still need to update your config file. I think you just ask Claude.
Okay. What does it? What is it? A show unused connectors, computer use. I'm gonna escape. I'm just gonna ask Claude. I need update my Claude config file. Where can I do it? What do we need to update? I have no idea. Claude, use this skill to configure the course. Yes.
I'm just gonna ask it to add it as a global config.
Okay.
Yeah, so like, try asking to create a global Claude config file to add to GitHub MCP server.
Add GitHub MCP server.
Yeah, that's the right location.
So I'm trying to show you. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Yes. I'm trying to add. Just no. Cancel that. Google Meet. Yes. Okay. I think it's doing some stuff. Yes. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out. Oh, sorry. Just got a message. Don't know what. Can't really My mom loves TikTok, and she just sends me TikTok reels of like.
That is cute.
I know. But like I don't have TikTok account, but TikTok like stops you from seeing any videos. So if you watch one TikTok video without having an account, it forces you to sign up.
Yeah.
It's so annoying, and I don't really want to create an account. I just want to watch what she shared with me, but they forced me to sign up. So in the end, I can only watch one TikTok reel that she shares, and she shares like 3 or 4 reels So I'm just like, I don't know, I can't.
Have you tried opening it in an incognito window? Maybe that'll work.
Oh, like you mean like a thingy, like opening a new like a oh gosh, what's the word? Incognito window. Yeah, I've not done that one. It's really, I was like, oh, this is so annoying. I don't like TikTok, but I shouldn't say that, it might be, but it's just okay,
I was wondering, we didn't test the super base stuff. I was wondering how it got, when you create an app manually, you'll need to provide all the API keys. Claude didn't ask us for that, right?
No, it just tells us to go to Superbase and then set it up, I think. But because I think they've got a Superbase configuration somewhere. Not there. In the end files.
Oh yeah, open the env local.
Yeah, that's the one. And we need to put that in the Superbase stuff. I am going to... I'm trying to log.
Oh, there you go.
What's that?
Oh, nothing. I'm eating.
Oh. What are you having?
What is this called? Really, rice crackers.
Ooh, that looks good. I'd like that. I'm going to be. Is it? Oh, that looks. Is it sweet?
It's actually salty.
Really?
But a little sweet, yeah.
That is interesting because you say milk cream. When you say milk cream, it's like sweet cream. Anyway, I've got. I'll start a new project.
It's sweet and salty.
Is it sweet and salty? I keep saying the same thing. I'm just trying to. How to Google Meet. I'm gonna do that. Duplicate, copy, and paste. And then I'm gonna move you there. I'm gonna change that to like what am I looking at? Safari, Chrome, Google Chrome, projects, Superbase. There you go. Okay. So you can see like what's on my screen. Oh my goodness, what have I done there? Discord. You know what? This OBS stuff is really confusing sometimes. This reference. Just gonna delete. I'm gonna remove things from here. And then if I change that, does it change you on the other side? I hope not. Yeah, it does. I don't understand.
What's happening?
I don't know. I was trying to like do things. I was trying to show.
I'm seeing the Superbase window in this code one.
Yeah, I just so strange. I'm trying to show you like what I'm looking at from my thingy. Anyway, you could see it from my screen, my live screen, right? Yeah, that one. So I'm gonna try to start a new project and call it something. What do I call it? Cancer Companion. And then generate a password. And then enable create new project. Accept. I saw a job spec on Superbase ages ago, and it's like community engineer. I still don't know what to do.
Community engineer. I wonder if that's like a DevRel position.
Yeah, DevRel
Like a
or
dev
Dev Advocate.
advocate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do they do?
They they talk to people, they promote the product. I think it's more like an influencer job, actually.
Do you think so?
I think so. It's like educating other devs about their products.
Right. I always find it really interesting. Um, I don't know if I should show that project ID, but let me
Do it in a different window.
yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, cool. Just kind of stuck. GitHub. Where were we? I've got like two things running. So this is the I-18. So it's trying to ask permission. To ask a lot of permission. So this one, okay, this is adding the GitHub Copilot.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Wait, Copilot or
Yeah, why
MCP server?
GitHub Copilot and GitHub MCP server. You already have a Google Drive. To add a GitHub, I'll use the Claude MCP Claude. Apparently, it's called GitHubCopilot.com.
Oh.
That's very okay. That's I was like, what's that popping up over there? But it's the translation doing that, not the Google. I'm like, two things happening. Do you want to proceed? Check MCP adoption. Yep. Yeah, I'm go to Unflow call. I am trying to figure out where I am now. So I want to create a new repo so that you could pull that as well and add you as a collaborator. Maybe I'll just do some manual work. I do need to create, do I create a new repo? Oh my god, I forgot everything now. Okay, yeah. So, my Mac is so slow. I'm clicking things and it's like, what? This computer's don't know, I don't care. I'm just gonna leave it there because I'll think about it another time. Okay, so git init. I feel like I'm on a old style git status, and I'm just gonna git add all. If John watches this, or if John knows I'm doing this, he'll be like, "You're wasting your time. You should just ask Claude to do everything." But sometime, we're just gonna git commit initialize care companion project. Okay. And git push origin. I need to? I think I need to do something, don't I? Create a new repo.
Yeah. And it should give you commands.
Care companion. Choose visibility. I'll just do public. Start with a template. I don't need a template. I just need to create a repo. Can you believe this is what we used to?
You just need the last two.
The last two? Yeah, this one, right? Git remote.
Yeah, and the first. Yeah.
Origin. Git push origin. Okay, I'm gonna add you as a collaborator. Probably shouldn't be showing that, but never mind. Because they don't have access to my GitHub for a while anyway. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna add you. Oh. There you go. Cool. You're in. Sometimes it's just easier to do it manually than wait for Claude, right? So I think you're able to like add stuff to it now.
Yep.
Gonna close that, and then oh, we've got a donation. I always like it's just I don't know how this works. Donations. Wow, I don't know. I'm just so grateful because I think a lot of people are sharing the links. And I don't know. I know like I wouldn't know who they are. Does that make sense? Like, but I'm grateful. Thank you for the donation. Just going up.
Wait, is it on LinkedIn? I'm gonna post it on LinkedIn.
What is it?
On LinkedIn.
The what?
Nothing.
I'm like what? But yeah, where are we? So we got has Claude. Do you sometimes find that like Claude is your little like assistant? Kind of. Do you want to
Like
create
a junior engineer.
junior engineer? Yeah,
like having a junior engineer on duty.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, yeah, I do treat it like a maybe junior engineer or an engineer that I work with very closely.
Yeah.
But yeah, oh, it's done the I1, I18N stuff. And that, like you say, so. Pardon?
You want it? He's still working on the I18N.
I think it's still doing it. I'm just gonna say do whatever you want with it. So just I keep having to babysit it. I'm like yes, and then it takes forever. And then this is like still trying to get like Claude to do stuff at the MCP server. I've seen so many people do really cool projects with like AI, and it's like it's one of those things I want to do, but never got around to doing it.
Well, you can always do it, but you just need to think of what you want to build.
True. Yeah, I just like don't know. I don't know what I don't know what you'd like build, if that makes sense. Like, what would you? Because I like, yeah, maybe I'm not creative enough to think of.
What? No. I mean, you can always ask Claude, so it will do it for you.
Yeah.
I'll send you something.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I'm trying to. Let me see if I could like add a browser, audio, image, macOS, media, CM, blah 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 blah. Browser. Create new browser. Okay. And then I'm just gonna do.
So this. Have you heard of Twine?
Time?
Twine. Twine.
Uh,
So this is actually a game built on Twine.
on time. No, I don't. If you just send it to me, time. Twine.
Right.
No, I don't know what twine is. Sorry, what is twine?
It's like we're making games, text-based games.
Well, that's cool.
So, I mean, I used Copilot for it, but it's built with AI.
Wow.
It's still a work in progress.
Choose a door.
But yeah. Yeah.
Step into the foyer. So it's like a text-based game, and then you can choose stuff.
Mhm.
That's really cool.
Right. And you need to unlock some stuff. It's still a work in progress, but yeah, I think if you ever want to build anything, now is a good time to do it.
Yeah, I know. I'm so impressed with John. Like he didn't used to code, right? And he's like, all of a sudden in the last month, he's built like 4, 5, 6 projects, and I'm like, I'm still just. He's
Wow.
just continuously like building. Like after the boys go to sleep, he'd be like, "Oh, I made this last night," and I was like, "What did you make?" So I've done like, what did he do? He built all kinds of things. One was he used like an MCP server to do stuff. Oh yeah, he made so it was really cool. He built a YouTube like a local hosted because we've got a server at home, and he would build what's the word for it? He will build a YouTube version of that, kind of like
What?
right, like it's an app. It's an iOS app he built, and so he sometimes downloads some videos for kids, like like the kids videos. So the problem with YouTube Kids, even though it's for kids, right? Sometimes the content isn't good, and then obviously the
Mm.
algorithm is all about like the more you click, the more you and when you're like all these age, you just kind of like start hitting things and you pick up the wrong videos and stuff. So we hated some video, like we did, like we wanted to improve his watch kind of videos.
Mhm.
So John said, "Oh, I'll build like a local hosted YouTube stuff."
Nice. That
Yeah,
is cool.
that is really really cool. And then he made it like just for Benji and Ollie, and um, he makes it so that he would download it to I would download the videos that we want the kids to watch, but it lives in our server, and it would like as a parent we have control over what videos are for which account, and then the kids would watch that, and there's no ads obviously, and then um that, and it's just like it was really cool because it increases the kind of focus time on watching. So with Ollie, he would just after 1 minute he would like switch to other things because YouTube has so many things going on. With this one we can lock it, so we lock the screen for him
Oh,
so it doesn't change the videos.
nice.
And with Benji is a lot kind of like with it, like he's more technologically advanced, so he'd be able to change and pause and do things, but he's very good when it comes to watching things. But it's incredible, and I was like, he built it like in a night or two. And he was like, "Oh, I've built this," and I was like, I woke up in the morning and was like, "Let me show you this video. Let me show you these things that I've built." And I was like, "Oh my god, that's really impressive." And it was like iOS, and I was like, "He's never touched a word. He's never touched Swift in his life before," and he was like, "Swift."
Yeah, that is impressive.
It's very impressive. And I was like, how do you get it to and I was like, well, I don't know. I just keep like debugging with it. And then every 2 hours I get locked out because I've used up all my tokens, and I'll just pick it back up. And I was like, very cool, very cool. And then the only thing I've done recently was making like a planning app, like theme park planning app with AI.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but it's only like local, like just for us, so that we could like John and I could like um, plan like holidays and stuff if you wanted to, but it's just I don't know. John's just built like multiple things. Anyway, where were we? I like this. This is really cool. I made this speak and play app. It's like a speech therapy app, but I made it like a year and a half ago. This is for Benji because he goes to speech therapy, so he would like practice, and there is a game. So these are the things, and he would play games and different games and stuff. And then and then this one was like John was like, let me see what I can do, what AI can do to your app. So he built this. He was
nice. That's cool.
And he was like, oh, I'm just gonna build this. And then I was like, and then he pushed it to my repo, and then it was a little bit buggy, and I was like, it's not the best, it's not as buggy, but if you can fix those parts, you understand what it's written, so can you fix it for me? So yeah, it was quite cool. But I was like, I wish I've got the same tenacity to just keep going with it. But anyway, where were we? So I think Claude's done all that, and then it's still asking to, okay, it's just asking to run stuff. I can't seem to go. What was that sound?
News.
What was that sound? Oh no, I think my Discord's gone. Smaller.
What happened?
I don't know, like Discord just went, just didn't like it.
I saw there's an error on VS Code.
Oh yeah, there is an error. Oh, error, space left on device. Oh no, is it my... I think I've run out of space on my Mac.
Oh, not good.
Pardon?
That's not good.
It's not good. We've cleared some space. I need a new